Premiere Napa Valley wines are unique, one-of-a-kind wines.
These are wines that are once-in-a-lifetime opportunities. It's a singular bottling from that estate that you're not going to find anywhere else.
When I'm making a Premiere wine, my first thought is, where are the best grapes on property?
When I see Premiere Napa Valley, to me it means something special. It's something that the winemaker has taken time out to specifically make. It's something that represents Napa Valley.
Each bottle labeled with the Premiere Napa Valley label is uniquely numbered and signed by the winemaker that crafts these bottles.
As a wine lover and collector, this is your one opportunity to procure a unique wine from Napa Valley.
If you are opening a bottle with a Premiere Napa Valley label today, be excited because you're tasting an extremely unique wine crafted singularly for you. Cheers.